Hi, good morning everybody. How are you today, my friends? I am Miss Liliana, one of the teachers from Let It Play Tampa Bay program, brought to you by Glacier Children Museum and generously provided by the Children's Board of Hillsborough County. And this morning, my friends, come, everybody very close to me. Look at what I got it over here. The beautiful Scarecrow aircraft. Yes, because it's fall. Alright, what you need to have with you? Paper bag, the small piece of flannel, any color to make a hat like this one, paper straw, phone shapes, white paper, to make the eyes like I did it over here, glue, crayons, oops, sorry, the scissors, and that's it. Right? Are you ready now, my friends? Paper bag. Take the hat and add some glue. Now it's time to paste it. Very well. So now let's go to add the hair. It's going to be like this. Now take the two eyes, glue and paste it too. See? But it's missing something here. That nose. Pick any phone shape. We're going to use the circle, the purple circle. Glue and paste it too, please. Like this. And we need to draw the big smile. Let me use my black marker. The big smile because he is a happy scarecrow. And ta-da! He's ready. Good job, my friends. You did it very well. Thank you for joining me. And remember, please follow us in our social media page, Facebook and Instagram, Let It Play Tampa Bay, and subscribe our YouTube channel too for more fun videos and tips. All right, see you next time.